The First Lady, Mama Rachel Ruto, has urged university students to build innovative technology-driven solutions that supplement the national landscape and ecosystem restoration campaign. The campaign is geared towards planting 500 million trees, a strategy that will fast-track the actualization of the vision by President William Ruto to grow 15 billion trees by 2032.
Speaking at the Catholic University of Eastern Africa during the university's annual Environmental Care and Tree Planting Day, Mama Rachel Ruto called on the students to be environmental sustainability champions in the community.
There are many opportunities in the environment and climate area for those among you that are entrepreneurs. We need apps that inform us of the trees to plant in various regions. We need e-commerce solutions for tree seedlings to enable us to order seedlings from our mobile phones. We also need to develop artificial intelligence-driven solutions for data collection, monitoring, and evaluation as we grow the 15 billion trees, to name but just a few.
The First Lady asked the students to use every opportunity to plant 30 trees per year, the target that will see the nation progressively achieve a 30% tree cover.
The President has asked all Kenyans to plant 30 trees every year for the next 10 years. I encourage all of us to heed this call by rallying everyone around us to plant and grow trees. Let us celebrate our birthdays, anniversaries, and outings by planting trees.
Mama Rachel officially launched the First Lady's Landscape and Ecosystem Restoration Strategy and Implementation Plan that incorporates women, youth, learners, and advocates for green financing to bridge the funding gaps in restoration activities.
With the knowledge acquired, we will contribute to enhancing our daily living, decision-making, and also selecting the best species to integrate into different environments, including our homes, to ensure a good and thriving ecosystem.
The plan also incorporates agroforestry, promotes green jobs and nature-based enterprises, and encourages women and youth to participate in the green and circular economies.
Institutions of higher learning, like yourselves, should be at the forefront of championing environmental and climate change initiatives and take advantage of the existing opportunities to build a knowledge layer through research, implementation, monitoring and evaluation, technology integration, and enterprise.
Dr. Beatrice Inyangala, Principal Secretary, State Department for Higher Education and Research, said higher education institutions are working closely with the government to prepare students for jobs and enterprise opportunities in the green economy.
As universities, we are aware that the green economy promises over 60 million jobs. So we are working very closely to skill our students to take advantage of the jobs that are emerging from this green economy.
The government targets to have 30% of the 15 billion trees as fruit trees in an effort to improve nutritional and food security, create employment, and spur socio-economic development. Reporting for the Muslim Insight, I am Aban Shehemi.